Okay, so I actually was wrong about the local storage on the iPhone. It is working, and this is local storage being basically in place via the JavaScript that's already on this file, right? So as you can see, though, the reason I can tell is because the cars are not going all over the place, meaning that it is using the last saved file or best brain to say, hey, this is the smartest car. Because what you want is a car that avoids crashing into other vehicles. So when it isn't working, the cars are going in all directions and you don't see them all stacked on top of each other like that. So here's, let's go ahead and make this 6 lanes. So I created a file or a shortcut to help me edit the HTML or JavaScript. So let's go ahead and run that now and make this 6 lanes so that we can see this better and in action. So the original design for this part of editing HTML, JSON, or the JavaScript, I originally had it opening on Notepad, but when the file got too large, it kept crashing and Notepad just wasn't opening. So an easier way for this to work is just using ask for input. The default answer is going to be the file, and then I can just go to the line that I know I need to edit. In this case, it's fortunate that they're not too deep in the file and I know exactly where they are, but obviously this can get annoying in the future if I want to go to a deeper line. So there's ways to make this better. Eventually I'll get to it, but this will do for now. So here it is on 6 lanes once it's running. Now I just have to make sure I add more cars, right? So that they occupy all lanes. But as you can see here, when you're not saving the best brain, the cars go all over the place, right? So now what we have to find is a car that avoids cars and avoids the edge of the road. And that's pretty much it. So obviously this has a lot of implications for creating things on shortcuts, right? So if you can create neural networks right on your phone, what can you get it to do, right? So just get a little creative, guys. I'll see what I can come up with and take it from there. But obviously this is pretty exciting.